Thank you for joining us here at Ferroque Systems, where we help organizations simplify and automate complex infrastructure. In this video, we'll demonstrate how you can take the NetScaler configuration and turn it into infrastructure as code using Terraform. Infrastructure as code is about managing IT infrastructure the same way developers manage application code, by writing and maintaining code files instead of clicking through GUIs or manually configuring devices. These files can be versioned, shared, reused, and automated. The advantages are clear. First, we get consistency. Every deployment is identical with no missteps. Then we get speed. You can spin up or tear down environments in minutes. With collaboration, teams can work together on infrastructure, just like when they're developing software. And finally, we get change control. Version history shows when and why something was changed. In this demo, I'll show you how ns.conf2IAC can extract an existing NetScaler configuration, turn it into Terraform code, and then how we can use that Terraform code to deploy, scale, and remove the configuration. All right, let's get started. So we'll start off with our demo environment. We have two NetScalers. They've got a virtual server, a service group, and two servers running at the back end. You can see on our secondary NetScaler, there are no servers. We have no configuration on this appliance whatsoever. When we go back and we'll see the website, you can see that there are definitely two servers that are running this website. And you can see that the final website is not showing anything as unreachable at this time. We'll start by running the ns.conf2IAC Python script. You can gather this from the NetScaler GitHub repository. This script connects to our NetScaler and extracts the current configuration. From that configuration, it automatically generates a Terraform file, in this case, config.tf. It's also worth noting that the Terraform file generated by ns.conf2IAC includes all the default portions of the NetScaler configuration. That means we don't need to bring every single element over into main.tf. Instead, we can focus on the portions that matter for our demo or production environment, keeping our code base lean, readable, and easier to maintain. What we'll do is take the usable portions that we care about and copy them into a new file called main.tf. That main.tf will serve as our working Terraform configuration going forward. With our new file ready, we'll change into the plan directory where we'll keep our IAC files. From here, I can run a Terraform plan with our variable file and output the results to the demo plan. Terraform now scans the configuration and shows us exactly what's about to happen, which resources will be created, updated, or destroyed. This planning step is critical because it gives us complete visibility before we actually make any changes. Now let's apply the plan. Terraform tells us it will make 9 changes, including virtual servers, service groups, and backend servers. After applying, if we refresh our NetScaler, you'll see the configuration live. A new virtual server is up. The service groups are created, backend servers are enabled. This environment is now fully active. Now imagine the traffic's increased and we need another backend web server. With infrastructure as code, scaling is just an edit away. I'll add a third server to the Terraform file and save it. Running Terraform plan again shows 2 additions and nothing else changes. That's the reliability we want, no accidental disruptions. We apply, and then the new server is up and ready. Scaling couldn't be any easier. And when we're done, cleaning up is just as easy. Running Terraform destroy shows that 11 items will be removed. We confirm, and just like that, the virtual server is gone, the service group is gone, all backend servers are removed. In seconds, the entire configuration is torn down, leaving us with a clean slate. So what did we just see? Using ns.conf2IAC with Terraform, we can convert an existing NetScaler configuration into code, apply them to quickly build out an infrastructure, scale them up with simple edits, tear it all down when it's no longer needed. This workflow delivers all the benefits of infrastructure as code: speed, repeatability, collaboration, and confidence. Instead of worrying about manual steps or configuration drift, everything is automated and trackable. Thanks again for watching this demonstration from Ferroque Systems. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more NetScaler automation content. We'll continue exploring ways to simplify and accelerate operations with automation. Automating NetScaler, scaling with confidence, here at Ferroque Systems, masters of end-user infrastructure.